Eastern Martin County, southeastern Greene, northeastern Davies County, until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a few thunderstorms located 11 miles northeast of Washington, or 24 miles northeast of Petersburg, moving north at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Odom, Elnora, Dewberry, Crane, and Burn City. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Davies, Greene, and Martin.
Winning team, a home